Hello everyone, today I will show you how to measure distance or area in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open PDF with Nitro PDF Editor. Now select this review option, this top menu, and here you will find this measure option. Click on this down arrow and this is distance. Click here and the distance area. And double click, say this distance, and this way say this distance. In this way you can measure distance to object or anything, and this area and in this way you can area measure, and this one perimeter. This way you can distance measure your common area, and now you can see this is, and click on this border set properties option. You can increase thickness. This one you can change border color. See this and this thickness, and so on. Also you can customize your border. You can make it close and close or open and so on. Yeah, in this way you can measure distance, area and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file.